Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonica's Lab. If you're new, today in the lab we're going to be doing a little bit of a different type of video. I'm going to be reviewing and sharing my first impressions on this crochet hair. If you guys see that I am trying something new, and I just wanted to share that with you guys really quick on this video, sharing my thoughts. And yeah, this video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just wanted to give you guys my thoughts, share my thoughts on this hair, and we're going to get into this video. So if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate that. We can add you to our family. And if you like reviews on crochet hair and how-to tutorials about crochet hair, then give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So I went out and I went to my local beauty supply store because I wanted to find another protective style. I try to keep my hair in protective styles. If you're new to my channel, I do have natural hair. I don't know the type of hair. I really don't get into all of that 4C, AC, 3C and all that, but I just don't have the energy or time to do my hair, so I prefer to do protective styles, whether that's Marley twist, faux locks, and crochet. So I typically do individual styles that look like crochets, but I have not tried a crochet style yet because I feel like my head is a bit large and sometimes crochet looks can look a little too fake and they just have so much hair. So that's what brings me to this hair right here that I'm wearing on my head today. This is the OUTRE X-Pression 3C Whirly Loop Crochet Loop Easy and Fast Styling Hair, and this is in, like I said, 3C, and I have it in the shade 1B, and it looks like this. This hair claims to have less time, more hair, more voluminous, fastest install, soft to the touch, lightweight and tension free, and low maintenance. Now, I've only had this hair in my head for 2 full days. So before I actually installed it, I had to wash my hair, blow dry, moisturize, and all that jazz, and I did about 10 to 11 straight back cornrows because, like I said, this was my first time trying this, and I was like, let me just give it a try. The first time, the night that I actually put these in, I did not like my hair. Like, I got so annoyed that it was so much hair. So I went out and I purchased 6 packs for the entire install, thinking that I would need 6 packs because typically with crochets, you want to cover your braids, but with curly hair, this curly hair can actually cover all of that. So I don't even have a lot of cornrows that are actually like have hair on it. I spaced it out so wide. But if you guys want me to do a more in-depth how to crochet for beginners type of video, then let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll certainly record a full detailed crochet look. But this is just to review this hair and tell you my thoughts on it and everything like that. I purchased 6 packs and I actually put 5 packs in my head, but I wish I would have took a picture. I did not like the 5-pack thing. It was just super big. And maybe it's because I'm not used to this curl. I'm still trying to get used to it. A lot of people are complimenting me, saying it looks nice on me, but I'm still like, should I take it out in the next 2 days? Because when I'm not feeling my hair, I'm not feeling it, no matter how many compliments I'm getting on it. But the more and more I like play with it and make it look more realistic and not like shiny or anything, then I notice that it's starting to grow on me just a tad bit. And I love the way that these curls are spiraled. So I actually took out basically a whole pack. This is the hair I took out when I felt like it was too much hair. So this is basically a whole pack, probably 2 packs, because this is what the brand new pack looks like, and this is all the hair I have left. So probably 1, 2.5 packs, maybe 2 1/3 of hair left. So I yanked out basically a whole pack of hair because I felt like it wasn't looking as natural. And so now it's looking a little bit more natural. I actually trimmed it a bit. I'm going to trim it a little bit more. The hair is super soft, and I feel like this hair can suit any body, any shape, face shape or anything like that. I have noticed that wearing this the second day, it's kind of getting like, the curls are like sticking together just in the neck area. And so I'm thinking, because I haven't put any product on it, I literally only put water on it once I had like installed it, just to get those strayaways away, because you will get a little bit of shedding when you install curly hair once you're doing the install, because you're breaking some of the hair apart. And that's another thing, I was breaking some of the hair apart because these are 4-strand what do they call it? 4 strands of hair that you can do individual on for each loop. So this is a lot of hair, especially if you're gonna, you know, brush it out and things like that. So that's why I took it apart, and they're easy to separate. I took it apart to put mainly in the front and try to do the invisible part method just so it can look like it's naturally coming from my hair, my scalp. And like I said, the more and more I play with it, it's starting to grow on me. But I am gonna go and get some mousse. I didn't have any on hand, and I'm gonna try to like rake my hands through with the mousse just to keep it tamed so it won't look too nappy or too worn, especially since it's only been a couple days. But I would have to say, off my first impression on the hair, this OUTRE X-Pression 3C Whirly Loop hair, that I am liking it the more it's getting older, because it doesn't have that shine to it. It does have a little bit of a shine when you first do the install, but the more you run your fingers through it and like zhuzh it up, cut it a little bit and things like that, then you're pretty much good to go. So you guys let me know what you think about this curly hair if you tried it before. And yeah, I only put oil on my scalp. I don't put oil on the actual hair, just the mousse. I'm gonna try that out. But nevertheless, I do like these curls. They are starting to grow on me, so yeah. So far, it's looking all right. This is what the back looks like. I just wanted to do something a little bit different here. I know I've done some hair videos in the past reviewing wigs, but I think I want to do some crochet looks. So you guys let me know if you're interested in seeing different crochet looks to make them look as natural as possible, especially for beginners, or if you're just looking for those protective styles when you don't want to do your hair, you need to do something really quick for an event, things like that. Definitely let me know down below. But so far so good on the OUTRE X-Pression hair. This is the Whirly Loop. I will have all of the information on the actual hair and packs I actually use and the ones I purchased in the description box below. So you guys let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up for more crochet hair reviews and tutorials, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until next time, peace, love, and beauty. Bye guys.